Welcome back. Samson is still my name. In this video, we'll be looking at totaling, and we'll just do some manipulations. So here, we're going to Alt N V, select here, and I'm going to drop it right inside this existing cell. All right, so let's say we want to look at our sales persons here, and let's get their orders, the total orders, sorry, the total cost. This is how it appears. And let's see. Okay, now let's pivot this thing. Let's pivot it. I'm bringing let's say I take my salesperson there, and I'm bringing, let's say, where are my customer? Okay, so I bring my customer here. Now let's see. Okay, this is quite long. Okay, so let's interchange this, drop this one. Okay, we have okay, let's bring this one out here first, then take this one here so that I do not complain again. Okay, the reason he complained was if I had added this, it's going to expand, and I think we have some data on the right side here, so it was going to overlap. That was why it complained. Okay, so by what we've been doing, we have total here coming down like this. Like if you select this now, selecting all of them will give us 917,507, 917,507, as you can see here, some. And if we select this, it's going to give us 209,208.76, just like we can see down below here. All right, so if we have a unique task of finding out what is the total order made by B&B and Ellington, how do we do that now? First of all, let me tell us that this column and this row, we can remove them. Let's go to our design. Let's go to grand total, because these are grand totals. We do this, let's get it off for both rows and columns. When I click this, the grand total for row goes off, for columns goes off, and then for rows also goes off. So when I go back to, let me click inside so that I can get this pivot table options, and I go to total. This is where we click on and off. All right, so when I come here and I say I want it on back, they come back. So off, they go off. I might decide to put it only for rows, in which case these rows, this one are added. This is row 4, so each of these in row 4 add up to this. I can also go back to my grand total and I say on for columns only. The rows go off and then the columns come in. All right, so now let's go back to solving that question. Okay, so I need to bring them back. Let me get my total for on the both of them. Now the question that we want to solve is, what is the total made by this and this? B&B Spaces and Ellington Designs. Pausing here, let's see if you can reason that out. All right, the way you can go about it is to filter. So you can come here and filter out and say you don't want to select all. You're only interested in these two and Ellington. You OK it. This gives you the total for the two. This, if you look down here, it's 93634.25, just the way we have it here. Yes. So that's the same thing that you can do. You can also apply the filter here. Say you are interested in the first two. Let's see what happens. You do select all and then select the two you want. It gives you this. So with pivot table, you can do a whole lot of manipulations. Do a whole lot of analysis that you want to. You can compare between entries, between variables, the way you want. Okay, so this is how you can use pivot table to do your totals and then get whatever you want to get. Thank you very much.